Welcome to Prince Sneaker Care, where we not only clean your sneakers, but we care for your sneakers. Here at Prince Sneaker Care, we provide two different levels of cleaning for your sneakers, all right? We have the basic clean, which would be laces, outer soles, and midsoles of the shoe, and a deep clean, which would be the laces, outer soles, midsoles, insoles, and the soles of your shoe. We also provide repainting and re-glue services also for sneakers, such as, for example, a customer brought these in and one foot had a very horrible paint job. I think this the foot that had a great paint job already, and then we had this foot right here where we had to repaint and basically look just as good as the other foot did. We don't know why that kind of happened to shoes, but repaint is very normal for older shoes or shoes that have aged or you scuffed them up pretty bad. But basically, we provide the repainting services where we will go ahead and order the correct colors and the correct utensils and things that we need in order to repaint your shoes. We also provide re-glue services for shoes that separated or have bad glue jobs, or they're just old and the glue is starting to come apart. We provide re-glue services where we will take your shoes apart, clean off the excess glue or whatever is in there, and they will basically apply new glue and put them back together. Those are the different types of services that we offer here. We also provide one of the best packaging to me when the shoes are done. We try to fill it up with paper. We try to get some smell good inside your insoles, and we wrap them up with plastic so that they don't get dirty upon transportation or just by sitting in here where it gets dirty and people are bringing in the dirtiest shoes, all right? We also provide sneaker valet services where we will pick up your shoes and drop them back off to you for $35. And that's not a one-way, that's back and forth. So if I go pick them up and I drop them back off, that's $35. It's not $35 me picking them up and $35 me dropping them back off. No, it's $35 one time. Other than that, that's everything that we offer here right now. We have a lot of products that will be coming in soon. I know you guys probably seen the wooden shoe tree that we will be selling. I've been using them and trying to see what the benefits of them, and I found a lot of benefits, so I'll be making a separate video to promote the product that we have coming. Other than that, this right here should explain the different levels of services and cleaning that we offer here at Prince Sneaker Care. Thank you guys, keep supporting. If you want to book, make sure you hit princesneakercare.com. On Mondays and Tuesdays is appointment only to give us a little bit more time to rest, because like as you can see, this is a one-man show and we've been killing it for the past 2 years. We're growing pretty fast and we want to keep growing, so I want to keep killing it until we're able to build a team and get this done a whole lot faster. But in my honest opinion, right now we have a nice little turnaround time, was a little bit over a week, maybe even less, depending on amount of shoes and what type of shoes you bring in. And we're grateful to have you guys as customers. We hope to see a lot of new faces come through this door. Thank you guys so much, and make sure you always choose Prince Sneaker Care to take care of your sneakers.